Welcome back. Just started a walk to Cascade Hut. It's about 20 kilometres return. Gonna go to an Alpine hut and find a spot to swim. Rob's pretty keen. I'm sure the water will be freezing, but he's excited. Look, you can see the trail go off in the distance. It's a really pretty, really beautiful trail so far. I think we're surrounded by snow gums. I think that's what they are, the sort of white trees. So beautiful, whatever they are. We're doing this walk on Easter Sunday and we started it at about 12:30 p.m. so I think it's why it's a little bit quieter. It's so beautiful. You could probably swim there. Feels a little bit snaky today. This low shrub everywhere. I've seen only 2 snakes in Australia. Oh no, 3. I've seen 3 snakes in Australia and 2 of them were in the snowies. Don't know why here they love it, but snakes are just like a lot more common around here, I think, than back closer to Sydney. We are about to start the biggest climb on the walk, which is a ridge you gotta go over. So because this is an out and back, we're gonna have to go up and over twice. But once we get to the top of this is where the views are really beautiful. And then we will start the descent down to the hut, heading up into the snow gums. So pretty. We are still going up this ridge line. Whew. It's a bit of a workout. Whew. Beautiful view.
Ooh, it's a snake.
Woo.
Brown snake maybe? Could be a baby one. It's big.
Rob just saw a snake. We knew they were out today.
Yeah, just be careful. These type of paths probably going to be baking in the middle.
Yeah, just got to make lots of noise. He thinks it might have been a brown snake.
Yeah, it was brown. Doesn't mean it's a brown snake.
But they're generally pretty good. Like,
Baby one though.
they get pretty scared and then like run away. We're on a oh. Now more jittery. I think the thing is, the path is so wide that we can see them quite easily.
No, maybe not necessarily, because they can blend in.
Yeah, but it's not like when they're like I don't know, if you like wander down there.
Yeah, but definitely not in snake shoes. At least not in Birkenstocks.
Not great snake shoes. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Bob's Ridge. We've got a bob on the Bob's Ridge.
Here we are.
I'm sure you get beautiful views if you go that way, but I don't really feel like I'm going to cross any more snakes, and they're probably absolutely everywhere. Only my 4th ever sighting of a snake, and it's in the snowies. Of course it is. Whew, look at that view there, all the way there. Out into the Victorian Alps. Rob, you match the mountains. You're gonna blend in with them. I really want to know what that mountain is. That looks so beautiful. I'll look it up when I get home.
5k to go.
On the ridge, downhill to the hut.
And just double that.
No, and then all the way back. In an hour and 10. You're on snake watch. All the rustling freaks me out. Going back down. Oh, got a splash of that and it was very cold.
I can offer you a few shades. There aren't many, but watch out for the snakes.
Oh, he's so mean. According to the guy on the bike that just went past, we got a good 1.5 k's downhill, so should be nice. Going down this super steep hill. We're already dreading the return trip. Oh well, that's future us problem. We've just come down a massive hill here. And we're still going. What a big descent. We're 7.5 k's in. Technically we should be, what do you reckon, 2.5 k's to the hut? Our first kind of sketchy river crossing. What do you reckon, Rob?
I don't know. Yeah, well, do you want me to go first or do you want to go first? Don't fall.
It's pretty easy.
Also not really, the logs are not too wobbly.
Good swimming spot for you there, Rob.
Yeah.
Got about 1k to go. Rob's placed an Easter bunny in the back of my backpack. So we're hoping that it's in one piece. A kind gift from my mum. My mum watches my videos. You get to see where we're eating the bunny. Well, Rob's bunny. I think the ridge was up there. We came around it. There, on the other side. I reckon it's just up there. Here's the hut. Oh, it's so cute. Cascade Hut. You can sleep on the mat. Illawarra Alpine Club. Cascade Hut, Teddy's Hut, Tin Mines Hut. 1935. Do you reckon that's right?
Yeah. Wow.
It's a small one. It's got wood.
Great stage. Good for the middle of winter.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. His bunny. How is he?
Intact except for the top of the ears.
Some melting on the top of the ears.
No, actually, no. Completely stable. All good. And shapes.
Our Easter Sunday lunch.
Eating the ears.
Bunny with no ears. Bye, hut. You're very cute.
Let's go.
We've just left the hut doing the 10k hike back. We've got to climb back over that ridge. And Rob's hoping to find a nice place to do a little cold plunge. Nice little swim in the Thredbo River. Clouds rolling in. I'm pretty sure there is Mount Kosciuszko, all the way off. That river there, that's where Rob's gonna be swimming. We're almost at the river crossing. It is getting cold. Rob is committed. He's still gonna do the plunge. Or after what was quite a warm morning, I reckon single digits maybe. The sun is completely gone. So wish him luck. You could swim here. What about, do you want to see where that is? Where the bridge is there? We're trying to find a place for him to swim as the sun sets on the mountains. Gets colder and colder. He's a man determined to find a swimming spot.
Oh, we found a good spot. We can just some stepping stones straight down, go for a little dip under the bridge with a pretty view and with the sun kind of coming out.
The sun's setting. He's getting ready for his cold plunge.
Look there was a bit of sun.
The final patch of sun.
Anyway.
Oh. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling chilly, a little bit chilly.
Thredbo River.
Here we go. Oh, what's the temperature like? Oh, warm bath.
A warm bath.
Warm bath. It's not very deep. Oh, it's pretty refreshing.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Oh, it's good.
Beautiful wild swim for Rob. He's forced me to put my feet in. It's so cold. All right, I'll try.
She's game.
I'm gonna take them off. Oh, it's cold.
Come on, Mim, you can do it.
No. Oh. It does feel quite refreshing though. Oh.
Just a little bit of sun.
Time to get out.
Get out.
Oh, it's so cold. How you feeling after your icy cold swim?
Very toasty.
Just brought out the beanie.
Yeah.
Sun is setting and it's getting very cold. We're just following the beautiful river back to our car, which is nice and warm, and we'll head back to Thredbo. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for following me on this cool adventure. Really hope I can see you in the next one. Very, very beautiful.